Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. It says 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x equal to 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4. Then find x. We say solution. When we have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4. First, we express this 4 in base 2. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4. If we move further, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2, we have to times the power, raised to the power of 2 times 4 raised to the power of 4. Now we compare the base. Now if we compare both sides, base we cancel base, then the power will change to 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2 times 4 raised to the power of 4. Now we express this 4 in base 2. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 4. If we continue, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised to the power of 8 when we multiply the powers. Then this point, we have law of indices that states that whenever we have n raised to the power of a times n raised to the power of b is equal to n raised to the power of a plus b. Then if we apply this to the right hand side, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2. Because they have the same base, we take 1, then we add up the power 1 plus 8. We have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2 raised to the power of 9. Compare both sides. When we compare both sides, base we cancel base, left with x equal to 9 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.